Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change language on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch Splitwise, and then here at the bottom right you'll see your profile icon, or you'll see here it says account. Just go ahead and tap on that and you'll be on this page. Here you'll see your name and your email, and next to it you will see this pencil icon right here. What I want you to do is just tap on this pencil icon, and this will lead you to your account settings. And just go ahead and scroll down. Here you'll see language. Okay. And here, as you can see, it says for emails and notifications, don't worry, it just changes the language for the whole app itself. So let's do Espanol right here. Select that. And then click here on Save Changes. And there you go. As you can see, the language has been changed. So that is how you change a language on Splitwise.